As the leader in innovation, design, and development of aftermarket dirt bike and ATV high-performance camshafts, Hot Cam's slogan, "Unleash the Power Within," says it all. Today we'll be showing you our Hot Cam's Shim Kits and refill packs. For value and convenience, Hot Cam's Shim Kits are the perfect addition to any toolbox, garage, or shop. With complete kits in 7.48mm and 9.48mm for the current Japanese 250 and 450Fs, as well as 8.90mm and 10.0mm kits for KTM models, plus the 13.0mm kit for older street models. These Shim Kits make valve train maintenance a snap. Plus, for those with existing Shim Kits that might be running low, Hot Cam's also offers a full range of Shim Refill packages to keep the full kit complete and always at the ready. These Shim Kits are handy when it comes time to do any maintenance on your bike, and absolutely necessary when it comes time to performing any valve maintenance work or camshaft installation. Keeping your valve clearance in spec is a critical element to the longevity and performance of your 4-stroke engine. If you've got worn valves or you're just looking to have a Shim Kit on hand when you need them, Hot Cam's complete Shim Kits and Shim Refill Kits have you covered with a full range of quality shims that you can count on. These kits are conveniently packed in a low-profile container and come with 3 shims of each size, ranging from 1.20mm all the way up to 3.5mm in thickness. With the size laser etched on the top of each shim to make it easy to determine which shim is needed, Hot Cam's shims are manufactured from cold-rolled 4140 steel and offer superior durability over shims that are sintered. It's always a good idea to have a Shim Kit on hand so you never have to wait to get back on your bike. And compared to the OEM Shim Kit, a Hot Cam Shim Kit is about a third of the price, making it a no-brainer. For specific individual shim sizes, Hot Cam offers a Shim Refill Kit of 5 shims for right around that $6 mark, or a full kit with all sizes for right around that $50 mark. All right, if you have any questions or comments, contact us at 515-402-8000 or visit us at hotcamsinc.com and fill out that contact us form.